Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power tailgate, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.